History of Jawi Temple, evidence of the greatness of religious tolerance in the past.
Jawi Temple is one of the historical relics from the Singhasari Kingdom era. Located in Chandiwatus Village, Region District, Pasuruan Regency, East Java. Built in the 13th century during the reign of King Kartanagara, this temple is a silent witness to the glory and tolerance between two major religions, namely Hinduism and Buddhism. Unlike most other temples, that function is base of worship. Jawi Temple function is a place to store the ashes of King Kartanagara after his death.
According to various historical sources, Jawi Temple is a symbol of tolerance and a fusion of Hinduism and Buddhism. The upper part of the temple is decorated with stupas, indicating the influence of Buddhism. Meanwhile, the body and foot of the temple display a Hindu architectural style. This fusion reflects the harmony of beliefs held at that time. After the Singhasari kingdom collapsed due to the attack of the Kediri troops assisted by the Mongols, the power was continued by Majapahit. Realizing the spiritual and symbolic value of Jawi Temple, the Majapahit kingdom then continued to maintain it as a symbol of the unification of the archipelago based on the spirit of religious dualism. The temple is about 24.5 meters high with a unique structure formed through different types of stone, namely andesite on the outside and white stone on the inside. The complete architecture of the temple, consisting of the foot, body, and roof, also shows the artistic influence of East Java. Negara Kertagama notes that this temple was severely damaged by a lightning strike in 1331, when Queen Tribhuwana and Gajah Mada were leading a military expedition. The Akshobhya Buddha statue that used to be inside was lost, and the incident greatly struck the pilgrims at that time. Although later restored by Majapahit, the statue was never found again.
Over time, the temple collapsed and was divided into three parts. Thanks to Dutch documentation and archaeological reference, Jawi Temple was successfully restored. Although some of the materials were not made of original stone, the combination of Hindu and Buddhist elements in Jawi Temple is a reflection of the Tantrayana teachings that developed during the Kartanagara era. In this belief, Shiva and Buddha Singhaswan in an unthinkable absolute form are called Senyarupa. This idea was later realized in the famous quote from Empu Tantulur in the book Sutasoma, namely Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Tanhana Dharma Mangwa, which means different but one, there is no dual truth. Jawi Temple is not just a historical monument, but a strong symbol of tolerance, spirituality, and unity of the archipelago in the past. Through this heritage, we are reminded that since ancient times, the ancestors of the Indonesian nation have upheld difference in togetherness. The existence of Jawi Temple in the middle of the strategic Pandaan Route is a real reminder that noble values such as tolerance and unity are an inseparable part of the identity of the Indonesian nation, both in the past, present, and future.